Today we're doing steering column on a Mazda. So you take that cover off from the bottom here, and you can see down there. After that, you take this off for the clock. That's out the way. Take this rubber off. That's out the way. Then you take this top cover off. Okay. So you got it all off from here, the top. You can see the clock. And now you've got these hidden Phillips. You have to turn the steering and you can get to these. Once you open these, you can get this bottom cover off. You can get more access to the steering column. Yeah, so once the bottom cover is off, it's quite easy, it's not hard. You got two Phillips, one on that side, one on the opposite side. Then you got one down the bottom. Once they are off, you can see the steering column and you can see the steering pump, which is there. That's what we're replacing today. It's about 13 mil nut there, and just remove the adjuster and the bottom steering column, and then it just slides out, not too hard. So yeah, Mazda 1 steering column.